it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you how to create these really trendy and chic rainbow gradient cutout nails. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help create a smooth base for your design, and it will also help prevent your design from chipping. Next, apply 2 coats of a nude nail polish over your nail. White is another option that can work well for this design if you don't have a nude color. For the next step, which involves applying clear tape, we need our base color to be completely dried so it doesn't mess up when we peel the tape off. So to do this, you can quickly apply a fast drying top coat and give it a few minutes to dry. For the next steps, you need clear tape, optional latex barrier, makeup sponges, and all the colors of the rainbow. First, cut the sponge the same length as your nails. This is so you know how much space you have to make the rainbow gradient. Next, take 2 pieces of tape and add them to the sides of your nail to create the triangle shape. You can use liquid latex to protect your cuticle from the gradient, or you could also add a 3rd piece of tape if you have a latex allergy. Apply the rainbow nail polishes in stripes across the sponge. We're using pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, and finally orange. Then sponge it over your nail. You're going to want the gradient to have a higher opacity, so you need to repeat these steps one more time for best results. Once you're finished, you can just peel off the tape and the latex. Now you can apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Ta-da! These are really shiny, but if you'd prefer a more sparkly look, try adding a glitter nail polish over it. And now your rainbow is super sparkly. Which look is your favorite, the shiny one or the sparkly one? Let us know down in the comments. For even more nail tutorials, click the info card in the top right corner. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Miri's personal channel. The link is in the description. Take care, and I'll see you next time!